Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and thank you so much for always coming back. So in today's video is all about how I finished up cleaning my seat. I did this video in my previous video on I show you how step by step you are going to wash your seats without a vacuum cleaner and how clean they will turn out. Kindly watch that video in my previous video. Yes, so here after I finished washing the seats, I went ahead and cleaned my house. Just did a cleaning because after washing your seats, water is going to pour on the floors and you will need to clean it up. So after washing my seats, I went ahead and cleaned the whole house. Then I waited for my seats to dry up. So this is just another day, and this day I had done laundry, and after I was finished with laundry, it was time for me to soak my dolls and my pillow. This big pillow of mine, all my dolls were supposed to be soaked then washed tomorrow. So here I was done with laundry. Then I'm just using some Omo powder. I really love Omo powder, specifically Omo, because my water is salty and Omo does very well with salty water, hard salty water. Yes. Here I am just soaking the pillow, starting off with the pillow because it's the bigger one and it was really dirty, the most dirtiest. Then I will add the dolls, my daughter's doll. Then I'll let it stay up to the next day. I will wash it the next day. Yes, I just soak them for one day. So later on this day, After I was done with soaking the dolls and the pillow, I decided to try out a new recipe, and this recipe was butternut chapatis with coriander. I've once done butternut chapatis on this video. It's just a video that I was doing chapati cooked with butternut, and now this time I was trying butternut and then adding coriander in it. It came out very well. This is how I started. Here I'm just trying to mash the butternut so that I can mix it with some flour. Yes, I decided to go ahead and use a fork, because a fork is the one that really smashes them very well. Or if you have a blender, you can blend it. Yes, or if you have a smasher, the potato masher, you can use that one. Yes, so this is the first step. After boiling your butternut, by the way, when you're boiling your butternut, you're going to add salt in it so that it can boil with it. After boiling my butternut, I went ahead and mash it. Then here I'm just adding some coriander to it. Then I will add some flour and just start kneading it as a normal chapati is done. Then on the next day, it was the day to wash my pillow and my dolls. Here I will just be using a manila sponge. This is also it is also that old gunia that really washes things very well. And because I don't want to use a brush will be very hard on the dolls. It might even tear the doll. I'm just using a manila sponge and adding more powder to the water so that it can easily come out. So this is how I wash my dolls or my pillows. If I want to deep clean them, I use a manila sponge. Then finally it is time to hang them, and I'm starting off with my pillow. It is a big pillow and it's heavy, so I'll be using a jerry can to hang it so that it can drip water. After it has dripped quite a good amount of water is when I will transfer it to the hanging lines, since I don't want it to cut my hanging lines. The other things I'll be hanging are just these dolls. I'll just use a pegs and hang them by their ears. Yes, so that is how I clean my dolls and my pillows. So this is just another day, and I was trying to make my hair, and here I have a boho bob Spanish style. Yeah, whichever way you want to call it. People know it as a Spanish style. Others knows it as boho style. So this is just bob, and I added some Spanish in it. And as you all know, if you add Spanish in your hairstyle, they really tend to tangle and just look shaggy. So this is how you can keep your hair, your strands, the Spanish strands, one by one. You just apply the blue gel in them, and just apply the blue gel in them, and they will come out as new as the way you first did your hair. Yes, so this method I was told by my salonist who did my hair. She told me that I should apply this blue gel so that the style will still be hot the way it was done the first day. Yes, and I am glad it happened. It came out just the way she told me, and it lasted for a whole week. Yes, then the other week I needed to do it again. So this is how you can maintain it. Yes, so thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel if you have learned anything new. Like this video so that it can reach a lot of people, and also give your comment on what you think about my videos. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one.